Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to High Universal Cut. Today this haircut is called three step. Some of us don't know what is three step, so today I'm going to use this one to show us what three step is all about. Now some people don't know that three step is going to be starting from here to here. It's going to be skin, then here is going to be low cut, then this is the punk. You count it 1 2 3, but some persons think that three step is this round cut, this afro cut that we normally barb that have blending. They will not count it because of they will see small blending. They will think that is three step. A customer come the other day and he told me to barb three step for him. He came with afro cut too, and he said I should barb three step. I was looking at it. I said, sir, please, do you know what three step is? He said, yes, now three step. I said, I was thinking inside me, I was like, I don't want to spoil somebody's hair. Let me first explain to him. That is why in barbing, you need to be very, very, very careful. Why some person say that this barber does not know how to barb is because they don't know the kind of hairstyle they want. They will just see any hairstyle and just say they want to barb it. So when I now explain to the man that three step is going to be like this, here is going to be skin, here is going to be low cut, depending on how you want it. If it's either last low cut or normal low cut, then the up one is going to be spunk like Obama. So the man was now looking at me, he was like, wow, thank you. I say, see it, because you come with afro. If I should barb it like this now, you said that I'll spoil your hair, so I need to explain first. So know the difference between afro three step and normal three step. Afro three step is that one that here with the skin, the blending will just show that blending step that you count, but it's not going to be this punk here, this round cut, this punk like Obama. Do you understand? So this is three step. Now I'm going to take us there. Just watch. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you love this channel, this channel is basically for what? Tutorial purpose. And if you love the channel, just subscribe. Don't just subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, because I'm ready now to answer any haircut that you want me to do, because we are serious now. So that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. Subscribe, turn your notification bell on, like, comment and share. That's the only thing you do for me. I'm doing my best to put this video out. Your own is to just like, comment anything you like and share it, so that YouTube recognizing that I'm a creator that is doing something great. Do you understand, guys? So let's dive into it. I don't want this video to be too long like others. Share you get. Now let's go. First thing you need to do is to put your clipper on what? On speed level. Carry the gel up. Let the blade join together, so that it will not inch your customer or pain your customer. You put it on. Remember, I told us that it's not a must that you start the way I'm starting. Some persons, before they skin hair, they will start it like this, but I don't like it because it will weaken my blade. I'll first raise it up. Once I'm done with it, then I'll turn my hand downward to skin it. Remember what I always tell you people, that barbing is very, very simple and sweet. Once you have the zeal, the passion and the focus, it's very, very simple and you love what you are doing. When you know that barbing is hard is when you don't have interest in it. But if it's your passion, what you love doing, you see barbing as normal thing like food that you are eating. You understand, guys? Don't forget, whoever that tells you that barbing is hard, that person does not want you to become a great barber like he or she. Do you understand? So barbing is very, very sweet and simple. So, and also told us that barbing requires what? It requires patience, calculation. Understand? When you are texturing it, make sure you texture it very well. Follow it accordingly. If I don't texture it very well, maybe as I'm coming like this, I go this way, it will spoil the blending. Do you understand? So when you are texturing it, follow it accordingly. Be focused on what you are doing. Do you understand? Put your mind there. Be calculative. So after you have raise it up finish, some persons dey once you raise it up finish like this, they will not like you to skin it. Do you understand? This skin already o, but when you turn it like this, it's now you call it flat skin. Please guys, you people have to bear with me because since this week I'm not too strong, understand, but thank God for life. So you guys are going to bear with me if I'm not talking the way I'm supposed to talk. Bear with me please. So you see what I'm doing? Can you see that my customer is just relaxed because the blade is well set, is well joined together. So don't forget to like, comment and share, invite others. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy with what I know, I won't be putting this thing outside. So you that is also learning it, please try to share so that other people like you that want to learn too will see the video and learn. Let's understand that this life we came with nothing and we are going with nothing. If anyone should die with what he or she knows, it's not good at all. Die empty, so that those things that you know, you will leave them behind. People will use it and be remembering you. Understand? Don't be stingy. As you are learning this, try to share it and try to encourage me by liking and commenting and sharing. Understand? And if you want to be part of us, you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, because this channel is strictly for what? Haircut tutorial. There is nothing I'm hiding, and I don't want to hide anything. I discover new tips every day and I'm ready to share it. Do you understand, guys? Someone commented and he was asking me what is the secret for cutting hair faster. I was like, there is no secret. The secret there is you being consistent. Consistency is the key, is the secret to cutting hair faster. Do you understand, guys? So don't let anyone to intimidate you in anything that you are doing. See, they say little drop of water makes a great ocean. So as you are vibing today, you are learning today, you might not be doing it very well or blending it very well, and people will be complaining. Don't let that to weigh you down. Do you understand, guys? Don't let that to weigh you down. So after you have skinned the hair finish, the first guideline, the first step, after you have skinned it finish, now here is going to be what? Low cut. This is what they call 3-step. It's going to be skin, low cut, punk. Do you understand? The punk, I'm going to trim it a bit. Do you understand, guys? Don't forget what I told us before, that we are growing gradually. My shop got burnt, all my stuff burnt, my rotatory chair. I'm just managing this one, but I believe that I'll still get a rotatory chair so that I'll start one place and do what I did there to this side. I'll just be rotating it. Do you understand, guys? So we are going to be focused on this side. We are going to be focused on this side. Everything that you see that I will do here is the same thing I will do to this side. Just that if I take this camera to this side, it will not be clear. Do you understand, guys? But as time goes on, we are going to get there. Don't forget to like, comment and share to encourage me to do more. Do you understand? I've been seeing a lot of comments. So guys, let's do the second one. I told us that there is, once you open the blade, it's low cut blade. Once you open it, carry the gel down. If you close it, it's skin. Now you open it. Now this is low cut blade. If you bring it front, like this, it is called low cut blade, low cut. If you carry it back like this, it is called last low cut. So we are going to do it first low cut first, so that you see. Do you understand, guys? So this is how we are going to, you hold your clipper like this. Remember, try to create space for blending. Now this is where the blend is going to be. We are going to step 1. This is where blend is going to start from. You follow it like this. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And always make sure that you're always brushing your hair. As you are barbing, be brushing it. So you follow it. See, this is where hair start from. So you hold it like this. Make sure you texture it, you follow it the way the hair grows, follow it accordingly the way the hair grows. Remember, I told us that everything that I'm going to do here is the same thing that I will do to the other side. You see what I'm doing? This is low cut. This is step 1, step 2. This one is step 3. So now, to take off this line, still put it on low cut blade. You carry it up. See how I'm flipping it. You have to take your time. You see, I told us that barbing is all about calculation. Everything I'm doing here is mathematics. Do you understand? And make sure you are brushing your hair. You are brushing it down to know if to see or know if where you are barbing is actually barbing or not. Do you understand, guys? So follow it like this. You see what I'm doing? You see what I'm doing? You see the line is going up small, right? Watch it very well. Watch it very well. Now, after you have done it like this, finish, then you put it on what? You put it on skin to clear up the last line. You can use the edge. You can use the edge. And make sure you are brushing it. Use the edge. You see, the line is going. As you are doing it, if you see that the line is not really going like that, you put it on what? Semi-low cut. You open it small. You open it small. Can you see what I'm doing? You open it small. You take off the lines. Hope you're understanding something, guys. This is how to barb 3 steps. This is how to barb a clean 3 steps. Do you understand, guys? So after you have removed the line, finish. You still put it on low cut. You barb it again, barb it down to smoothing it very well. I told us that barbing is all about patience. If you don't have patience, you will not do this one that I'm doing again. So you make sure that it's well smooth. Understand, guys? And make sure you're brushing the hair. Can you see what we are doing, bro? Can you see what we are doing, sis? So take your time. Hope you're understanding it. Now here, this hair is not going to come down. First comb bit. Comb bit is not going to come down. We will trim it. Comb bit. Do you understand, guys? Don't forget to like, please comment and share and subscribe. If you really want to be part of us, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. After you comb it finish, you pick up your step 1. This is step 1. You put it. Remember, the blade is still under low cut blade, low cut level. I opened it. So after you carry it backward like this, finish, you still bring it front. Do you understand, guys? Please, if you're understanding anything, please like, comment and share. That is the only help you do for me. This is what I'm doing. You bring it front again. After that, you remove your step 1. You use normal blade, normal low cut blade. You use it to bring it down. Can you see the blending? It's very what? It's very smooth. Now after you have done it finish, you have removed all the unnecessary lines. You trim it. Put it on normal low cut blade. You trim it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? You trim it like this. You trim it. Take your time. If you make mistake, you chop the hair. Do you understand? So take your time to trim it well. So this is what we call 3 steps. So guys,